Alright, where are you, Wilmington? Come on. Here we go. Finally!
This is the National Weather Service Office in Wilmington, Ohio. The preceding signal was a test of the weather radio station TA-18, Columbus, Ohio, public warning system. During
he just lost his line.
weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, while being more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Champaign, Clark, Delaware, Fairfield, Fayette, Franklin, Greene, Hocking, Knox, Licking, Madison, Marion, Marl, Muskingum, Erie, Pickaway, and Union. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station KIG, 86 Columbus, Ohio. Now looking at the weather patterns affecting the southern Great Lakes and Ohio Valley.
Okay. Quick synopsis. Obviously, the 151 was on, but, well, it's weather band only, so it doesn't count. 250 went off. 249 went off. TA-18 went off for the first time ever. EAR-10 went off. The 261 went off. TAC-1 activated. And finally, this guy went off. The 247. Okay, time to pack up because I have to leave in like 2 hours.